take this one big panel off. It's held on with Phillips head screws.
Ooh. Yeah, turn it a little.
Okay. Come on. It's either bit or me.
Yeah, I think you're bit.
Angle. Pull slightly toward you.
Oops, it's bending right there. Push the bottom in, Ralph. Push the bottom in.
You're not pushing.
Well, I can see where it's bowed, so that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, I got a glimpse back there.
Too hard. Oh, it was.
I'm thinking.
So we're talking about
right there. Looks like the sweet spot.
Yeah. So we need to cut the wire right about there.
Maybe right there we can get away with. Or something right in that. Something right in there. I think is a sweet spot.
Okay.
We're unplugged, right?
We are unplugged. We have confirmed we are unplugged. I didn't take a picture of it, but I saw it. Okay.
And no sparky sparks.
No.
Now we're going to reroute cords.
I don't think I have enough light back there. I'm not sure.
I'm just moving so we have plenty of length. We're just moving wires around here.
As it turned out, the existing line had a great deal of extra length added to it. And just went around the wrong way around John Brown's barn.
You can see we got plenty of length for the out. And we're going to go reroute this side. So we have a little more. me see. And you should have plenty of length to both spots. We got line, neutral, ground. So we go line, neutral, and ground if someone doesn't put the light right in front of me so I can see.
I was trying to put it down like that.
Yeah, well, you put it right in front of my vision. And all three of these are different lengths, which makes it harder to put in. So we're going to cut those two down to the same length. And we may restrip the line so we can have it at the same length as well. Because when you go to put it in, that way all three of them, just like the other side, should just slide right in. Line, neutral, ground. And sliding all three of them in, and makes it nice and easy. Three at one shot, which has the screw gun. What I'm trying to do is get that.
Now the camera can see.
One, two, three. And we are neutral, line, ground. Line, neutral, ground. We got everything lined up right. You can always double check it. Line, neutral, ground. So we're
Good to go.
good to go. Pull on it, make sure. We're going to turn this back on.
You want to press what? Are you out there?
We're going to turn
Wait a minute, I need to turn the
AC input on this time and AC output. We're leaving solar off. If you're going to hook solar, it says solar here so you can hook up your solar. If you want another battery extension, you can put another battery over here. So if you want to put a little more power to it.